So I'm Amol Patil and working in GlobalFoundries as a principal application consultant and working with GlobalFoundries around 12 plus years and with camLine team around 5 plus years with RM product and all supporting applications. Yeah, this is my second camLine forum conference. I was attended in 2022 and this is my second conference in 2024. This is a little bit interesting conference. This year we saw many new things like cloud deployment and many new eras, like some of the things with Intel also, some of the new things with RM products, and some of the additional features like reporting tools, integrations, and nicely presented on first day and second day also. camLine is changing from digital to the so earlier it was little bit documented point of view, now it's changing to the digital, and also they are adding new technologies things as compared to the previous technologies in the market. They have added many security features in their products also that I observed in the demonstration at the end of the first day. And they are changing the product according to the customer requirements. Also, they are taking customer feedbacks or customer rollout updates as a enhancement point of view, and they are giving opportunity to customers. They can accommodate their requirements as part of product.